Today we're going to unbox and take a first look at the Luna Ultra. Let's open the package and see everything that's included inside. As soon as we open the box, the first thing we find is a storage bag. The bag comes neatly packaged, and once we remove the wrapping, we can take a closer look at it. It's a compact carrying bag that can be folded down to a very small size, making it convenient to carry around during travel or outdoor shooting. Inside the storage bag, we find the main Luna Ultra device, along with several accessories. First, there is a windproof accessory set, which helps improve audio quality in windy conditions. Next, we have a long extension handle, followed by a charging handle that can provide additional power during use. We also get a wrist strap for extra security while filming, along with some documentation and user guides. Another accessory included in the package is the white Mic Pro microphone. Let's open it up and take a closer look. The microphone has a clean and stylish design that matches the overall appearance of the device. Now let's focus on the main camera itself. At first glance, it has a unique shape that almost resembles a light bulb. The camera comes protected inside a durable protective shell, which helps keep it safe during transport. Once we remove the protective cover, we can finally see the main camera in all its detail. The camera features a modular design, allowing some components to be detached and replaced when needed. We also have the long handle, the charging handle, and a tripod-style grip that can be placed directly on a table for stable shooting. The white version of the Mic Pro looks especially sleek and feels smooth and premium in hand. Now let's move on to the setup process. First, power on the device and follow the on-screen instructions. During the initial setup, you'll be prompted to download the companion app. Simply install the latest version of the app on your smartphone and open it. After launching the app, search for the camera and connect it. In most cases, the app will automatically detect that a firmware update is available. Download the update and confirm the connection between the camera and your device. Once the update is complete, the setup process is finished and your Luna Ultra is ready to use. In future videos, I'll be sharing shooting tips, recommended settings, and useful tricks to help you get the best results from this camera. The white version of the Insta360 Luna Ultra definitely stands out. The clean white finish gives it a premium and modern look that feels different from the typical black cameras we see every day. Combined with its compact design and modular accessories, it creates a unique first impression. But the big question is whether the stylish white design is enough to compete with the latest creator-focused cameras on the market. In the next video, let's compare the DJI Pocket 4 Pro white version to it and find out which one deserves a place in your camera bag. The brand new DJI Pocket 4 Pro Pearl White Edition. At first glance, you might think it's simply a color change, but after spending some time looking at it, the white version feels like a completely different product. It has a unique personality that separates it from the standard black model and gives the camera a much more premium and modern appearance. And here's the question many creators will immediately ask. Is the DJI Pocket 4 Pro White Edition actually better than the black version? And more importantly, how does it compare to the Insta360 Luna Ultra White Edition, which has already become one of the most eye-catching creator cameras on the market? Let's find out. The first thing you'll notice is the color itself. DJI didn't simply paint the outer shell white and call it a day. Instead, the company appears to have redesigned the entire visual identity of the camera around this pearl white finish. The body is white, the buttons are white, the joystick is white, the rear section is white. Even the gimbal assembly follows the same clean design language. Everything feels intentional. DJI also added subtle red 4P accents that create a beautiful contrast against the creamy white finish. It's a small detail, but it adds a premium touch that makes the camera feel more exclusive. Compared to the traditional black Pocket 4 Pro, this version instantly stands out. The black model looks professional, stealthy, and practical. The white model looks modern, stylish, and almost futuristic. For many creators, especially those who film product videos, lifestyle content, travel vlogs, and social media reels, aesthetics matter. When you're carrying a camera every day, it's nice when that camera actually looks special, and that's exactly where the Pocket 4 Pro White Edition succeeds. But then we arrive at the comparison everyone is thinking about, the Insta360 Luna Ultra White Edition. When I first saw the white Pocket 4 Pro, my immediate reaction was that it reminded me of the Luna Ultra White. Both cameras embrace a clean, premium design philosophy. Both are aimed at creators, and both look far more expensive than their actual size suggests. However, they approach content creation differently. The Insta360 Luna Ultra focuses heavily on AI-powered shooting, computational photography, and innovative camera technology. It feels like a product designed for creators who want flexibility and unique shooting possibilities. The DJI Pocket 4 Pro takes a different approach. Instead of trying to reinvent the camera experience, DJI focuses on delivering professional video quality inside an ultra-portable package. And when we talk about pure video performance, the Pocket 4 Pro still has some serious advantages. Inside this tiny body is a powerful 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a dedicated 3x telephoto lens. That combination gives creators significantly more flexibility than many compact cameras in this category. You can capture wide cinematic shots. You can zoom in for detail. You can create more professional compositions without carrying extra gear. And perhaps most importantly, everything remains incredibly portable. The entire camera weighs less than 200 grams. That's pocket-sized filmmaking. But the real story isn't the hardware. It's the image quality. DJI has introduced an upgraded 10-bit D-Log2 color profile, and this could be one of the biggest reasons serious creators choose the Pocket 4 Pro over competing options. The new profile offers up to 17 stops of dynamic range, giving creators much more room to recover highlights and shadows during editing. For casual users, that may sound like technical marketing language. For professional editors, it's a huge deal. It means brighter skies retain more detail. It means darker shadows remain usable. It means more flexibility when color grading footage. And ultimately, it means your videos can look far more cinematic. This becomes especially noticeable in difficult lighting situations. Imagine standing in front of a sunset. Most compact cameras struggle with these scenes. Either the sky becomes overexposed or the subject becomes too dark. The Pocket 4 Pro handles these situations surprisingly well. Highlights remain controlled, skin tones stay natural, shadow detail remains visible, and the final image looks balanced and professional. Now let's return to the question from the beginning. Which white camera is actually better? The DJI Pocket 4 Pro White Edition or the Insta360 Luna Ultra White Edition? The answer depends on what kind of creator you are. If you prioritize AI features, experimental shooting modes, and innovative camera technology, the Luna Ultra remains incredibly attractive. But if your main focus is professional-looking video quality, strong dynamic range, reliable stabilization, and a camera designed specifically for serious content creation, the Pocket 4 Pro may have the edge. And here's the surprising part. The White Edition might actually be the most desirable version of the Pocket 4 Pro yet. Not because it records better, not because it has exclusive features, but because it transforms the entire identity of the product. It takes an already capable creator camera and makes it feel fresh, unique, and collectible. The standard black version still looks fantastic, but the Pearl White Edition has that rare wow factor that makes people stop scrolling and take a second look. Is it worth upgrading if you already own a black Pocket 4 Pro? Probably not for performance reasons alone. But if you're buying your first Pocket 4 Pro and both colors are available, the Pearl White Edition could easily be the more exciting choice. It combines professional-grade video performance with one of the most attractive designs we've seen in a pocket camera. And when you place it next to the Insta360 Luna Ultra White Edition, the competition becomes much closer than many people expected. So now the question is yours. If you could only choose one white creator camera in 2026, would you pick the DJI Pocket 4 Pro Pearl White Edition or the Insta360 Luna Ultra White Edition? Let me know in the comments because this might be one of the most interesting creator camera battles of the year.